Hi everyone, my name is Vadim and I have 12 years experience with the paint protection film installation, and also I teach people, and with 2020 it's changed everything with coronavirus, and now I have a lot of questions from people who wants to learn but they couldn't come to me and learn in person, and now we start online courses and we change all this game. So let's watch. So today I'm gonna show you how to apply paint protection film pre-cut on headlights on this Mustang. So first I'm gonna clean this headlight. So every headlights have coating on it, so it doesn't really stick. So I use the compound, I use the Maximus compound. It's like first ultra correction. And just use just a little bit. Let it dry. So when it's dry, I'm gonna show you what do we need for install these headlights. So we need 91% alcohol for clean headlights. So we need soap and water. It's just the baby shampoo in water. I'm gonna show you how to mix it. So this is the alcohol, mixed alcohol. I'm gonna show you also, and we have a gel. This is all we need for the installation so far. And this tool, this is squeegee. So now it's dry, and now I start to polish all edges. I'm gonna clean this coating on it. When you hear this noise, it means you're good. So next step is clean the surface with the alcohol. So I spray alcohol on the towel, not on the headlight, and wipe it. Wipe it very well, every edge. Oh, that's it, it's ready to apply. So I use the bucket. I always put pieces on the bucket so and make sure it's clean. And this is the headlight. I have pre-cuts already. So I put this on the water, spray soap, put my squeegee inside the bucket and squeegee. Make sure all dirt's going down. Spray more soap. So now we have to peel the film. Spray soap on the film. So first step, I'm gonna line her up here. So I leave this edge, spray gel. Now I make sure it's right on the edge. And make sure everything is perfect. It's still moves, so I need more gel. Gel helps me tuck this. Spray soap on top. Squeegee. I squeegee just this area. So rest of the headlights it's just dissolved. Now I make sure it's right on the edge, it's lined up well. I use my finger. Yeah, check, yeah, everything is good. Now I'm gonna spray a little bit alcohol, just a little bit for tuck it. It still moves. It's okay. Now I have to stretch it all the way up to here and fix all those wrinkles. Same thing, I have to lift, spray a lot of gel, Now I stretch, I pull it. Make sure everything is good and squeeze it just this part. Squeeze it just this part. So now all we have is all soft on the middle. I have to check it. You see, I have to stretch a little bit up, liner up bottom. Same thing. I'm gonna lift bottom, spray gel. So here is perfect. So I squeeze it. So first I tuck here. I never move solution this way. I always go out. Now it's good. Same thing here. I tuck here and I just move the opposite way. Now we have all those wrinkles. These wrinkles I'm gonna spray alcohol and squeeze it down. If you see something like this, like these wrinkles, don't be afraid to leave this side. Spray gel. Spray more gel. And now I have to stretch a little bit more and fix those wrinkles. Like that. Now squeeze it. You see? Now it's good. And when we use gel, it's no lines over here. So you can lift up to here, it doesn't matter. It's no lines over here. Now you squeeze it. And just double check, spray alcohol everywhere and squeeze it. Squeeze it hard so you make sure it's no bubbles over here. Everything is good. Done. If you like it, just follow the website, register on our online courses, and keep watching us.